You know my camera's rolling. Get the cameras rolling, man. Get the cameras going. Take over. Take over. It's our gas station. You know my camera's rolling. Get the cameras rolling, man. Get the cameras going. It's time. Y'all see the Insta360 up there? Y'all see them boys outside? Yeah. Boosa, big boosa. If you stayed down till you came up, hold your chain up. You ain't got no jewelry or no watch, hold your gang up. Chasers. My boy listen to that A Boogie. That dash hard, I ain't gonna cap. Oh, his dash hard too. Oh, they both Yamahas. Okay, that's R7. Oh, that's twin. That's my Brody. Merry Christmas. The Batmobile. Yes, sir. Burn it. Burn it. Burn it. Burn it. Burn it. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Walk it. Walk him. Walk season. Walk season. Walk season. That boy snap. Yes, sir. Turn up. Oh yeah, that hard. This lit, I ain't gonna cap. I can't wait for the content to drop. It's up. I need some of them. Oh, I need it. Oh yeah, Mob Deep, J1K. They got the ZX-10 on the back of the helmet. That's hard. Ferris wheel. Let's do it. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy blocked traffic for them. Niggas is childish. He patting his weed. I'm crying. All the people. Now his GoPro on the side of his helmet. Okay. Yeah, people on their GoPros wherever. I know that view probably crazy. Yeah. Circling back around. We've been out here all day. Turn. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yes, sir. We got the females out here kicking it with us. Yes, sir. This hard. This ride was lit. Yes, sir. Stole the cone. Twin took the cone with him. Okay, the Christmas lights then came on. The Christmas lights on. Okay. Eating the roads up. Oh my God. That boy at 12 o'clock. Yes, sir. And that'll wrap that ride up. I definitely enjoyed it. Had a great time. I will definitely be back for that event once a month. The One Street Society Pro, I'm gonna be at that. Cafe Octane, I'll be at that. All the every month events I will try to make it to. And other than that, anybody post a flyer that I can make it to, I will try to pull up on that. I'm gonna stop at some little food spots for y'all. I'm gonna try to get y'all a bunch of different content of Atlanta. Just let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. Oh my God, oh my God. Push. Yeah, I need to go grab something from the gas station and then off to the crib. I know I got some wild footage. I can't wait to go review it. But thanks for watching, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mr. Marcus as well. We lit. Him on a mission.